Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Dean, and today I want you to go ahead and first look at the meanings of these words. Study the meanings of these words for a few minutes. Then, after you study the meanings of the words, then you are going to go ahead and fill in the next page. Again, fill in the next page. So first, we study the meanings from number 1 to number 10. Then you go to the next slide. So now on this slide, what I want you to do is try to fit in the animal or that it's referring to. What animal are they referring to in this exercise? So you need to stay on this page for a little while and fill in number 1 to number 10 with fly, dove, lamb, fox, duck, cat, lizard, rat. When you are finished, so you can pause the video. When you are finished, you can go to the next page and see the answers. And after you're finished with this page where you're checking your answers, you can go ahead and look at the last page. The last page so that you can get ready for the next video in number 5. So everyone, let's go ahead and work on that this morning. And this one here on number 7, it should be for business, looking good for business. So we have that corrected. And after you finish, then we'll go ahead and go into the lessons. Thank you.